What's up, YouTube? Found this little basket in the yard. My daughter brought me this basket of corn she uses to feed the chickens. And these janks was in there. There was some chickens in the chicken feed. So, I mean, that's normal around here, but it ain't normal to get some such beautiful ones like this. And it's an overcast day, so it's not really gonna... These things are really well done. Really like them. I liked the gold at first way more, but hell, now I don't know. These are pretty dang nice. I do have issue with that though. Y'all see that right there at the ag? That is a smear. Something. Truth be told though, this might be the first time I've ever seen a flaw on a Perth Mint coin. So the Perth Mint definitely is batting 1,000 in my humble opinion. In comparison to the US Mint, they're killing it. So you're the rooster, guys. It's really well done. Looks great. I just wanted to show y'all these real quick. God, they did good. Look at the feathers on the birds. Wow. So that's what it is, guys. Like, comment. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you too.